Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, me and my friends will be telling you a very popular yet sad story from Kalimantan with the title The Crying Stone. But before we get into the story, let us introduce ourselves first. We're from Almasum Junior High, and without further ado, let's get right into the story. So, long time ago, lived a girl with her mother at a mountain near a town in Kalimantan. The girl's name was Darmi. Darmi was very beautiful, but she was very arrogant, very lazy, and spoiled. She never helped her mother. Every day she wore makeup and her best clothes. La 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 la! Look at my new dress! How beautiful I am! I know everybody will admire my beauty! She always wanted to look rich and beautiful. One day, her mother wanted Darmi to accompany her to the market because Darmi's mother was too old to wait alone.
Darmi, could you accompany me to the market?
Asked her mother. Okay, but I don't want to walk beside you. You have to walk behind me. With a sad heart, her mother agreed. So Darmi walked in front of her mother, and her mother followed behind her. The girl and her mother looked very different. The girl looked very beautiful in her pretty dress, while her mother looked very old in her simple dress. On the way to the market, people greeted the beautiful girl and asked who the old woman behind her was.
Hey Darmi, who is the old woman behind you?
Then the girl replied to him, Who? Oh, she's my servant. Her mother was very sad, but she couldn't do anything. She's offended from the insult.
Darmi, how could you keep telling these people that I'm not your mother?
Then the girl replied to the mother, Mom, I have to do that because I don't want they laugh at me if they found out that you are my mother. You look so different, okay? Oh. Her mother couldn't bear the pain anymore. She prayed to God to punish her daughter.
My dear Lord, I can't stand with my daughter's behavior. She's been too far and hurting me. Please, give her punishment to make her feel sorry.
And God answered her prayer. Slowly, Darmi's legs turned into a stone, and the process continued to other part of the girl's body. The girl began to be panicked. What's going on? What happened to my body? She felt sorry and cried for her mother's help. My leg! Touch your stone! Somebody help! Please! No! Please! Help me! Mom, please forgive me for this one time! Mom, please forgive me! I've been too bad! Mom, please forgive me! Mom, please! Forgive me! But in a blink of an eye, her whole body turned into a stone. It was too late, not only for Darmi to ask forgiveness from her mother, but also for her mother. She was so regretful that she had asked God to punish Darmi, her only child. until now, people can still see the tears falling down the stone. That's why the stone is called the crying stone. That's all the story, and the moral lesson that we can get from the story is we must love and respect our parents, whoever and whatever they are. And that's the story of the crying stone. Thank you very much for all of the attention, and we're sorry for any possible mistakes we've made. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.